Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw buff Sonic. This is a ridiculous idea. Somebody requested it, so I'm gonna do it. Yeah, we're gonna have a tutorial with it. So if you're a beginner and you just started drawing, you should be able to do this all the way through. Stay all the way till the very end because it's a very, very short video, and that's how you get the most out of it. And that's pretty much it. Before we go there, don't forget, hit the subscribe if you're, love learning to draw anything. I post every single day, lessons every day. So subscribe, click the bell notification. Let's jump into the lesson right now. All right, let's go over how to draw this buff Sonic, all right? Gonna go over here, and I'm gonna start with Sonic's curve of the kind of snout that he has. And that's gonna curve into the back of his mouth. And we're gonna kind of close that shape off at the bottom here. Okay. I'm gonna draw a smile curve. Okay. Now we're going to go here the front. We're going to draw that nose. Line out. Curve at the front. Pull back. We're going to go over here. Down. Up. Down. We have that arch. That gravestone-like shape for his eye. Small curve for the top of his eye. Line, pulling that line here. I'm gonna find the far side eye by pulling a swoop up, right there. And then since it's on the far side, it's gonna cut off, it's gonna be thinner. So I'm gonna curve right there. All right. Gonna go over here and draw the eye. I'm gonna curve around the corner here. For the other brow, I'm gonna go over here on this side, curve for the eye, curve over here for this side, circle, dot, go over here on this side, and I'm gonna go with the ear, so the ear is just a triangle shape. Line here. I'm gonna go and pull a spike back now. I'm gonna go curve in. Start over here. Curve in. Right, one more. Curve in at the bottom there. I'm gonna go to the far end now. Triangle. All right, we're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. Now we're gonna go into the body, okay? Now he's gonna look at a buff Sonic body. Draw a line here a little bit, line here a little bit for the neck. Curve over here. Curve. Curve for the top of the pectoralis. Down over here, down over here. Gonna go over here for the far side of the pectoralis, curve, pull back, curve over here, pull back. Right on. Gonna go over here on this side, out, down, curve for the deltoid, curve over here for the bicep, curve back here for the tricep, down, out over here, down over here. Curve in for the other one. That's the elbow and the rest of the arm. Curve down, pulling in, and down over here. Curve over here for the rib cage, down over here. And then let's give him an ab wall. Line, line, line. cool. Line over here, down, down, bam. Over here on the far end, I'm gonna go out, down, curve. Over here, curve underneath here, down, out over here, down over here. Curve. And then I'm going to draw the serratus muscles here, which is like this. These small curves on the side of the rib cage. Line here, line here. Don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I'm going to be posting every single day. This is like a weird, this is so bizarre. This is so weird. Somebody requested it, so I was like, all right, fine. He does have a color change on his stomach, so you could kind of draw like a thin line here, maybe. Thin line here. Line here, maybe. But that's kind of it. That is Buff Sonic. Hopefully that was funny enough and amusing. And yeah, thank you so much. Don't forget to donate. Have a PayPal over there. Every single dime goes back to the channel. And I will talk to you next time. All right. See you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.